Hi, I'm James.
I'm Perry.
We own a business called Two Brothers Plumbing in Queensland. Do renovations,
Maintenance,
new homes,
commercial.
and gas. Honestly, it's made our life easy as plumbers. Compact, lightweight, and it actually crimps really quickly so we can get it all done in one day.
Rothenberger's really listened to plumbers. They've put a lot of effort in this tool. They have set the new benchmark. Like it's a beautiful tool. Nothing worse than having a heavy tool that you have to use two hands, especially when you're in a tight space. So we're talking about getting under kitchens and cabinetries and that. You can actually go in there and get a crimp.
You can hold it in one hand. The last ones you had to hold with two hands. Now you can hold it with one hand the whole time.
You're not going to get fatigued as much, therefore you can actually go and get the job done efficiently. Time is money, so having a quick and efficient tool makes the job go a lot quicker.
We could do anywhere from 20, 30, 100 crimps in a day. Honestly, you want to try and make it as quick as possible. Just put the jaws over, press the button, you literally take it off. It's that easy. Mate, red makes everything go faster.
Blue is my favourite colour, but like James said, red makes you go faster.
3 seconds, you add that up over many crimps during the day, really saves some time.
The top features of the Rothenberger Twin Turbo are one that I really like, weight balance on the tool.
Can fit a bigger jaw. The old ones only went to 25mm, these ones go to 32 now.
As you can probably see, being twins, it's a big key feature, Twin Turbo.
Key feature, Twin Turbo.
The quick 3-second crimp.
Fast battery charging, really big one. Quick charge, not everyone has two batteries.
Instead of putting them between your legs when you're high up, it now actually comes with a strap. So that's a huge feature to safely hold the machine while you're up high. With this new battery, obviously it fits into the Rothenberger TT, but it also fits into all the new Rothenberger tools. Just reduces the amount of space that you need in your trucks, in your utes.
It's a no-brainer.
Smart move.
From flat to full charge, 20 minutes. It's got a little fan that kicks on that you can hear in the battery charger, cools it down, charge faster.
Did I also mention it's a twin turbo, so